Did your headlights suck on your vehicle? The headlights on this 2020 Colorado sure suck. We're about to find out if replacing these headlights with a high-end LED bulb is worth it. All right, we've got the SV4 high-end LED headlights for the Chevy Colorado. The company says that they provide the brightest LED bulbs with the perfect beam pattern for the truck. The bulbs are made from spacecraft aluminum. The material has amazing heat dissipation qualities as well as 100% corrosion resistance. The bulbs have a high-speed double ball bearing micro fan that's fully submersible and waterproof. I can't wait to test that out. Here's a little shot of the old bulbs. Sure hope the new ones are better. To start, you just remove this little cap right here. It covers the bulb and seals it away from the elements. Twist the bulb counterclockwise to remove it. You'll need a screwdriver to pop the clip right off the headlight there. Here's the fan on the back of the new bulb. Just install the new bulb the same way you remove the old bulb. The new LED bulbs come with a rectangular attached module that will fit inside the original housing with the dust cover on. Reinstall the dust cover of the new bulb. It fits just like it did over the old bulb. The passenger side has a few other panels you have to remove first. Just pop these little clips up. Remove this hose. Now, in order to remove this entire plastic covering, you'd have to remove the whole horn bracket. You can actually get to the bulb without removing this plastic. Reinstall the new bulb just like you did on the other side. And reinstall the dust cover. Replace all the clips that you removed. It's that easy, you're all set. The new LED bulb looks a lot brighter than the stock one did. Look at the new beam pattern, that's way better than the original bulbs. Now I don't feel the immediate need to get some good off-road lights. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, it really helps us out.